Hi, welcome to Little Suburban Homestead. We are doing a quick meal. I just wanted to show you what we're doing because we have a very short time tomorrow evening to have a meal, get it cooked and eat, like less than half an hour. So we're trying to stay away from fast food, cost wise and health wise. So we on the fly here tonight, we came up with a few things in our pantry that we put together just to make a meal. We're going to try it out and see how it comes out tomorrow.
We've got tomorrow, well, on Mondays, because we're helping our grandkids with their youth groups. We'll just put a plug in for them. It's Trail Life for the boys and American Heritage Girls for the girls. And we've got a half an hour to be able to make and eat. And we've got to get up there. We've got to be there at 6. We got to leave at you got to eat it at basically 5:15 and 5:30.
So this is what we came up with. I cooked some rice tonight. This Thai jasmine rice from Azure. So the recipe's on the back for cooking it. It's a cup of rice and some water, and so we got that cooked ahead of time. And then we have two small cans of chicken breast, a can of green beans, a can of cream of chicken soup. And this is the healthier one, less sodium. And so that is what we dumped all in there, plus some Watkins all-purpose seasoning, salt-free, and some Celtic salt. And we'll put some cheese on tomorrow evening. We're just going to put servings into a bowl and then heat it up and add some cheese on top. So we will be back to let you know what we think.
Okay, we're back. Sorry, gonna have to manually turn the camera on and off. My remote's dead. But we're back, and we're about ready to try this out. And this is a very, very simple meal. Tell them how long it took you to cook it and things like that.
Well, just warming it up. We let it sit in the fridge overnight, and added a little cheese on top and microwaved. Well, I did both bowls together for 3 minutes, and then I did a little bit more time, 45 seconds, 30 seconds for individual bowls, depending on their size, to finish it off. And we're going to give this a try.
Yeah, let's see what it tastes like. Cheesy. Tastes good. It really tastes good. Yeah, I like the rice and everything. Simple meal. By the way, this is a twist tube. What is this? Strawberry something. It's an immunity twist tube. We get them from Amway. Haven't been able to find them anywhere else. So, but anyway, yeah, it's good. And we've got about 8 more minutes, and we got to be out of here. So, thank you for joining us, Little Suburban Homestead. We're just trying to make things a little bit simpler, a little bit easier for you guys. Please like, please subscribe, please comment too, and not just a thumbs up, but please comment. Maybe give us ideas of what you would like to see us touch on too. So anyway, with that, I got to reach over here to the camera and shut it off. We will see you next time. Thank you for joining us.